Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlid Guide. I am Saurav Rohkle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic The Thief on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Basaheb Rohkle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Who is the author of the story The Thief? Options are A. Ruskin Bond, B. Catherine Mansfield, C. R.K. Narayan, or D. O. Henry. Correct option is A. Ruskin Bond. Question number 2. Ruskin Bond is dash dash author. Options are A. An American, B. A Russian, C. An English, or D. An Indian. Correct option is D. An Indian. Question number 3. Ruskin Bond received the dash dash award in 1992. Options are A. Sahitya Vibhushan, B. Sahitya Bhushan, C. Sahitya Akademi, or D. Sahitya Samrat. Correct option is C. Sahitya Akademi. Question number 4. In 1999, Ruskin Bond was awarded the dash dash for his contribution to children's literature. Options are A. Padma Shri, B. Padma Bhushan, C. Padma Vibhushan, or D. Padma Raj. Correct option is A. Padma Shri. Question number 5. Who is the narrator of the story The Thief? Options are A. Arun, B. Hari or Deepak, C. Ruskin Bond, or D. Amol. Correct option is B. Hari or Deepak. Question number 6. How many characters are described in the story The Thief? Options are A. 6, B. 5, C. 4, or D. 2. Correct option is D. 2. Question number 7. Who is Hari or Deepak? Options are A. 15 years old experienced thief, B. 15 years old wrestler, C. 15 years old cook, or D. 15 years old businessman. Correct option is A. 15 years old experienced thief. Question number 8. How does the narrator describe Anil? Options are A. About 20, cunning, strong and well educated, B. About 20, lean, tall, kind and simple, C. About 20, weak, stout and short, or D. About 20, arrogant, ambitious and kind hearted. Correct option is B. About 20, lean, tall, kind and simple. Question number 9. What was Arun doing when Hari met him? Options are A. Watching cricket match, B. Watching football match, C. Watching wrestling match, or D. Writing baseball match. Correct option is C. Watching wrestling match. Question number 10. How does the narrator describe the two wrestlers? Options are A. Crying at each other and throwing stones, B. Shouting and slapping their arms and thighs, C. Grunting their thighs and talking in soft voice, or D. Well-oiled, grunting and slapping their thighs. Correct option is D. Well-oiled, grunting and slapping their thighs. Question number 11. Why does Deepak flatter Arun? Options are A. To challenge him, B. To acquire his property, C. To make himself acquainted, or D. To steal his money. Correct option is C. To make himself acquainted. Question number 12. Why does Deepak change his name so often? Options are A. It's his style, B. To hide his identity from police and former employee, C. He wants to register a record in Limca book, or D. He doesn't like his name. Correct option is B. To hide his identity from police and former employee. Question number 13. Deepak is the dash dash name of Hari. Options are A. 4th, B. 5th, C. 7th, or D. 3rd. Correct option is B. 5th. Question number 14. What are the earlier names of Hari before he meets Arun? Options are A. Ranbir, Sudhir, Trilok, and Surinder. B. Rajendra, Mahendra, Raju, and Sudhir. C. Devendra, Trilok, Anil, and Ashok. Or D. Narendra, Devendra, Mahendra, and Ashok. Correct option is A. Ranbir, Sudhir, Trilok, and Surinder. Question number 15. What does Arun do with the first meal that Deepak cooks for him? Options are A. Eats it joyfully, B. Throws it in the dustbin, C. Gives it to the beggar, or D. Gives it to the neighbor's cat. Correct option is D. Gives it to the neighbor's cat. Question number 16. How does Arun encourage Deepak, or what did Arun promise him to teach? Options are A. Gives him permanent job, B. Plans to teach him cooking, writing, and arithmetic, C. Sends him for cooking classes, or D. Increases salary to make his life comfortable. Correct option is B. Plans to teach him cooking, writing, and arithmetic. Question number 17. What does Arun do with the money when he receives a check? Options are A. Go out and celebrate lavishly, B. Deposits in the bank, C. Brings household articles, or D. Spends on salary of the servants. Correct option is A. Go out and celebrate lavishly. Question number 18. Arun made money by dash dash. Options are A. Fits and starts, B. Fast and starts, C. First and starts, or D. Feast and starts. Correct option is A. Fits and starts. Question number 19. Where does Arun tuck the wad of notes? Options are A. In the suitcase, B. In the cupboard, C. Under his mattress, or D. In his pocket. Correct option is C. Under his mattress. Question number 20. Why does Deepak fail to make up his mind to rob Arun? Options are A. He is young, B. He is tall, C. He is the most trusting person, or D. He is well educated. Correct option is C. He is the most trusting person. Question number 21. Deepak plans to slip away the town by dash dash express. Options are A. Amritsar, B. Shatabdi, C. Rajdhani, or D. Nizamuddin. Correct option is A. Amritsar. Question number 22. How much does Deepak steal from Arun? Options are A. 600 rupees, B. 400 rupees, C. 300 rupees, or D. 100 rupees. Correct option is D. 100 rupees. Question number 23. What is Deepak's weakness? Options are A. Sense of cruelty, B. Sense of meanness, C. A sense of sympathy, or D. A sense of unkindness. Correct option is C. A sense of sympathy. Question number 24. What is Deepak's view about a successful thief? Options are A. He must be thin, B. He must be strong, C. He must be active, or D. He must be pitiless. Correct option is D. He must be pitiless. Question number 25. What made Deepak to return at Arun? Options are A. He missed the express, B. Heavy rain, C. Affection, sympathy, and desire to write, or D. Their friendship. Correct option is C. Affection, sympathy, and desire to write. Question number 26. What makes the narrator realize that Arun knew everything about what happened the night before. Options are A. The 5 rupee note is still wet. B. CCTV footage. C. Police inspector tells him. Or D. News in the local newspaper. Correct option is A. The 5 rupees note is still wet. Question number 27. What makes Deepak repent for his deed? Options are A. The amount is very small. B. He steals in rainy season. C. He misses the train. Or D. He betrayed Arun's trust. Correct option is D. He betrayed Arun's trust. Question number 28. What are the strong points of Deepak? Options are A. Sympathy and kindness. B. Education and honesty. C. Good face reader and communicator. Or D. Brave and courageous. Correct option is C. Good face reader and communicator. Question number 29. What encourages Deepak to leave his dishonest ways? Options are A. Arun's kindness and affection. B. Arun's education. C. He becomes a wealthy person. Or D. Police threats him. Correct option is A. Arun's kindness and affection. Question number 30. What is the theme of the story, The Thief? Options are A. Importance of human value. B. Skill of the thief. C. Importance of wrestling. Or D. Skills of the youngsters. Correct option is A. Importance of human value. So, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.